Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Chloe here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to use these weeks stickers in my money saving tracking book, whatever you want to call it, journal. So first of all, let's have a look at the stickers. So these are from Louise Designs Co, and this is the Hobonichi Weeks kit. So this kit is called Blue Blush Hobonichi Weeks sticker kit. You get 2 sheets in this kit, and I love the colours of these. I don't normally go for like these purpley blue colours. I normally go for quite light pink colours, but these are so pretty. So this is the first time I'm going to be using an actual sticker kit within this tracker that I use for money, because so in here is my Moterm cover. It's got a nice little clip on the front here that came with it, and then inside here this is a Kimball Weeks planner, and then I use this to do all my money tracking, saving, goals, anything to do with money goes into here, bills, all of that. So today I'm going to use this sticker kit to decorate those pages. So let's turn to the next clean page and get started. So the pages look like this within this book. I'm going to use my clips to hold the pages down. Do I have another one? Nope, doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, I do. Here we go. So this is what the pages look like when they are clear, don't have anything on them. So this is undated. You have the days of the week down the side, you have a section here, and then you have a blank page on this side. So that's the layout. So first of all, I'm going to take the names of the week off of here and put them down over the top. So let's see, do they fit up nicely? Yeah, they go together quite nicely. Okay, I'm going to finish up doing that and then show you how that looks. Okay, this is how it looks by covering those days of the weeks up with the stickers. This looks really cute. So what I will do later is I will either try and find some stickers that have the dates of this week that I'll be using, or I'll go in with a pen and write on top of there. So if you like these sticker sheets and would like to purchase some yourself, make sure to use my discount code and you will get yourself one of these little freebies, which is all like Animal Crossing theme, coffee themes. It's got some planners in there, all my favourite little bits. So make sure to use my code and you'll get 15% off and this little freebie. Anyways, back to the video. So next, what would I like to add next? I think I'm going to lay down some of these. So these are like strips of washi. I don't know if you can see on there, but it splits down the middle. So it's like a washi strip. Let's get this one with the butterflies. This one's really nice. I'm going to lay that. It doesn't quite fit. So obviously the Kimball is a bit of a different size compared to... Again, it doesn't fit there. Let's go try one more time. Yeah, the Kimball is a little bit of a different size compared to the actual Hobonichi. Okay, so that laid down there. I really like how that looks. And then above it, I want to use this box. Where do I want to place it though? That is the question. Where do I want to place it? Let's place it here. So in this box, I will write each day how much I spent within that box. And I might put... Oh, that's one big one. I was not expecting that. I thought it would be individual ones. Okay, let's look for a little box. Do we want a little box to go with it? Let's use these next. So I'm going to use these there, or at the side, Or do I want to switch either? Yeah, let's do that. So, pardon me. I am going to stick these boxes down, but alternate which side they go on. Just to give a little bit of different design. Or do they look better all together? Oh, do you know what? Scrap that idea. I'd like them all together. So this is the good thing. You can just peel them up and re-stick them down. They are really good. Let's place that there. Another one for Friday. But yeah, how is everybody? I have had a busy weekend. I do face painting parties, and today I had a face painting one which was all superhero themed, which was quite fun actually. It was nice to do all the different superheroes. But yeah, how are you all doing? Make sure you leave a comment so I can see how you guys are. Okay, what do I want to add next? I want to have a section where I can write like a breakdown of what I've been spending, if that makes sense. So I want to have a section where like I can put how much I'm spending on food, how much I'm spending on actual bills that are going to come out. I can't have any control over that. How much am I spending on like unnecessary stuff that I probably don't need? How do I want to section that out? Okay, I changed my mind and decided to move these boxes to that side, and I much prefer how that looks now. So what I will do is in this section I will write down all that I spend on those days. So say Monday I spend £10 on some lunch, I'll write that there. Then in this section I will write any bills that I know will be coming out. So say my Disney Plus subscription is meant to come out on Wednesday, I'll write that down so I can take that into account when I am like planning how much I can spend for that week. So next up, I do want to add some colour. I might add one of these washi strips along the top. Let's see how that is going to fit. Let's place it in there. Oh yeah, that fits nicely. Add a little bit more colour. And I also want to add these little like long strips. And I'm thinking of adding them in between. Is that the same length to add one down the side as well? Yeah, let's try it. I'm going to use the purple. Oh, it's very thin. Purple down this side. Just to block it all together. Oh, I like that. That looks nice. Perfect length. Lovely. And do I want to do one more there to block it, or do I want to go along? Ooh, decisions. Will I have enough to do each row? Oh, let's try it. Let's give it a go. See how we get on. I might just try from... So as you can tell, guys, this is the first time I'm using a kit for this spread. Normally I just... yeah, I quite like that. Normally I just use a few stickers just to decorate it up a bit. I've never done anything as elaborate as this. But I wanted to start giving this little book some attention. I use it quite a bit. So it'll be nice for it to start looking pretty. So I'm just trimming off. I don't know if that's going to be enough, is it? Let's try. Yeah, perfect. I'm just using this little cutter to trim away. There we go. So there's that. I've still got one more. Just gives it a bit more colour. So this one here. Oh. Like so. So as you know, I do use a kin ball. Now I found this on AliExpress. It was really cheap. I think it cost no more than £10. It did take a little while for it to arrive. It took about 2 to 3 weeks for it to arrive. But it does the job for me. It does what I need it to do. I think I'm going to add a little bit there as well. And I wanted to get it to see if I actually liked this format. Normally I would just bullet journal. I've never really done an actual proper planner. Is that going to fit? No, I sort of want something to cover up the bottom. Okay, we'll come back to that. Yeah, so normally I only use my bullet journal, but I wanted to try these planners. I really wanted to try the Hobonichi, but I didn't want to spend out so much if I wasn't going to actually use it. So I thought I'll try these for this year. Same with my daily planner. That is a Kimball as well, which actually I really like it. It's really nice. It does the job for me. So I'm really happy with it. But next year I'm definitely going to be getting a Hobonichi. I'm going to place that there. Straight. Let's do that again. Try and get it at least somewhat straight. There we go. That's better. And I'm going to use one of these little headers above each, just so I can put down what they are for. Okay, so this one will be obviously how much I spent. This one will be a breakdown, so for like shopping, bills, food, and what else needs to go there. And then I'm just going to add a few more finishing touches and then show you guys how it looks. Okay, so this is how I have finished it up. I decided to add the dates on there, so that was done. Circled the month. I added these little flags down the side. I'm not sure what I might use these for, this little section here, so I'm going to experiment with that, and I'll let you know next time we do another decorating this page together. So on this side I included another strip of the washi up the top just to balance it out. Really like that. I done a to-do list here, so this could be anything like pay a certain bill, make sure I transfer some money, or whatever I need to there. So that will go there. Then anything important I need to include will go there. I do need to write on these, but I will do that and then show you guys how it looks at the very end. So like I said earlier on, this is going to be how much money I've spent, and then this will be the different groupings of what I've spent my money on. This side is to plan what is actually coming out that week, and then this box will be what is actually coming out, and that is how it looks. So that is it without all the money tracking going on top of it. To show you how much of the sticker sheets I used quite a fair amount, but what I will do is I will take all of these off I didn't use. I will keep these because I might need to use them there you go, now you can see it, during the week. So say like if I'm going out for dinner one night, I'll use the little knife and fork and pop that down just to add some more decoration. But all the rest of them that I probably won't use, I will take those off and add them to my sticker album because I might use those on a daily spread. So all the sticker sheets can be repurposed and used again. So that is how it looks. Stick that bit down, there we go. So again, this is using just one Hobonichi Weeks kit in the blue blush from Louise Design Co. And remember, if you use my discount code, you will get this cute little freebie and 15% off. So make sure you use that in the checkout to get this and some money saving. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this spread. It's a little something different from me, and I will see you all again soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.